Remote professionals, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a work from home job, you've come to the right place. Make sure you subscribe so you are the first to be notified about new remote jobs that are posted on our job board. Let's go over. We have a couple new ones that have come in today, guys. The first one is going to be a project associate. This is going to be a data entry position for a company, Icon. It's going to be a full-time position as well. In this position, a little bit about the role. This is a world-leading healthcare intelligence and clinical research organization. From molecule to medicine, they advance the clinical research, providing outsourced services to pharmaceutical, biotech, medical device, and government and public health organizations. With patients at the center of all they do, they help accelerate the development of drugs and devices that save lives. So in this position, guys, you're going to perform data entry and or data cleaning tasks, run and analyze error or missing data reports. You're going to work with responsible research managers and or scientists to resolve some of the issues. You're going to troubleshoot and identify missing data trends. You're also going to generate, analyze, input-output reports, data tables, and you're going to liaise with a bunch of different teams and stakeholders as well. And you're going to participate in team meetings as needed. For this one, guys, the requirements, they need you to have 1 to 3 years of relevant data work experience. If you have experience in biopharmaceutical experience, that's going to be great. I would bet, guys, if you have any healthcare experience as well, that would be a close second if you have any experience with that. If you have good analytical skills and understanding of how to run reports in Microsoft Excel, this is always going to be a requirement in data entry positions, guys. Solid and accurate data entry skills are going to be required. Experience with Microsoft applications, so that's just Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. If you have experience with the G Suite, though, guys, and you don't have experience with Excel, typically that's going to be transferable. You just have to be able to manipulate large sets of data and present it in a great way as well. They'd like you to have good communication skills and the ability to work with people at all different levels. Education-wise, they just need you to have a high school degree. A college degree is going to be a plus. And some of the benefits here, guys, you're going to have your typical 401k. You're going to have health insurance and a few other things as well. Feel free to check out their website. Always, guys, before you apply to a position, check out their website, check out their Twitter, see what they're up to so that you can speak on that in your interviews and have someone to speak about as far as that goes. A lot of other candidates will not have that information, so you'll give yourself a little leg up. The second position is going to be dealer operations representative, level 2, with Harley Davidson. All right, this is going to be a full-time position as well, so you can plan on benefits for this one. In this one, you're going to play a pivotal role in helping them create the company they want to be. And for their employees in Harley Davidson community, it's done through being fair, honest, positive, and creative. All right, so definitely, guys, right off the bat, if you like motorcycles, if you own a Harley Davidson or you're just into them, definitely make sure you put that in your resume, cover letter, highlight that as well. In the job summary, you're going to be responsible for technical support of the Harley Davidson FS systems, MenuLink, DealLink, e-signature, and other things. And as far as your responsibilities go, you're going to support inbound dealer questions and troubleshoot process system related issues. So basically, guys, you're going to be almost like B2B customer service in a way, or business support, more of like a support role. The actual Harley Davidson dealerships, if they have trouble with their technology, the software that they use internally, they're going to call you and you're going to help them out and solve their issues. So you're not going to be working B2C really. It sounds like you're going to be working B2B with the dealerships that own Harley, that sell Harley Davidsons to customers. All right, you're going to provide thorough documentation of all incoming support calls. You're going to participate in project execution. You're responsible for following the dealer operation support escalation process. Maintain up-to-knowledge date of Harley-Davidson dealer-facing systems. So you don't have to be an IT person for this one, guys, but this might be an interesting one for folks out there who are looking for help desk and other IT-related positions. Definitely a good name to have on your resume for sure. A degree is not going to be required for this one. However, if you have 2 years of experience and or a DOS support representative, that's going to be great. They'd like you to have experience with Microsoft Office, PC troubleshooting, working in a help desk environment, strong customer relation skills, strong written and interpersonal skills, and preferred qualifications are going to be experience in training end users. So if you are a coach, maybe a teacher, or you're just good at training folks, definitely put that down as an example in your resume and your cover letter. And then they'd also like you to have intermediate Microsoft Excel knowledge. So again, manipulating large sets of data. Make sure you put that in your resume as well. Next up, we have a project coordinator level 1 with Amazon. This is going to be a full-time position, but it's going to be contracted for about 6 months, guys. Amazon tends to do this, it looks like. They'll basically try you out for a few months and then decide if they want to keep you on after that. This position is going to report to the project team manager. They want the project coordinator, or also known as the PC, to thrive in a fun and fast-paced environment. This position is going to require heavy phone and email communication with customers, utilizing a wide variety of software tools to navigate customer accounts, research policies, and identify and communicate effective solutions as well. You're going to work well within a team environment, as well as communicate internally with other departments as well. So if you have experience working cross-functionally, guys, which just means that you have experience working with other departments, right? If you work customer service, for example, and you worked on projects or tasks with, finance, the sales team, etc., you have cross-functional experience, all right? Primary objectives, you're going to provide members with a personalized creative experience, work intimately with members and coordinate the entire life cycle of their projects, provide stellar customer satisfaction at all times. You're going to partner with the publishing teams to ensure that the members are enrolled, work internally with other departments, use a wide variety of software systems as well, and they'd like you to meet all performance and quality metrics and initiate process improvement projects as well. Basic qualifications, they'd like you to have an associate's degree, customer service experience, working with high volume processes. Definitely, if you have experience with that, guys, maybe if you've worked in a call center before, that's going to be some good experience to put down. That just means that you can work with a lot of information and work quickly, right? They'd also like you to have working knowledge of Microsoft Office applications, again, just Excel, PowerPoint, Word, etc. The ability to work weekends and overtime as required. They'd like you to also be authorized to work in the United States without sponsorship. And preferred qualifications, they'd like you to have a bachelor's degree, aptitude to quickly learn new systems and software, the ability to multitask and prioritize, and